Hi guys, firstly thank you for choosing to watch this video. My name is Vijisha Nair and I am a skincare enthusiast. I talk about skincare products, review about them. Sometimes I talk about hair care, beauty and wellness on my Instagram page. You can check that page, that would be flashing on your screen. You can check that out. Today I am reviewing a face wash. You must have known from the title of the video. It's Conscious Chemist Ritual Face Cleanser. Just to give you an idea of my skin type, it is oily, acne prone skin, so there are hardly any face washes that work for me. Like I can count it on my fingers. That's how many I actually have worked for me. So I prefer, so that's why I thought I would review this one, because I liked how it has worked on my skin. So if you're interested to know more, please keep watching. About the packaging of the face cleanser, the outer packaging comes in this this green and white cardboard packaging. All the details of the product are mentioned on the cardboard packaging. The ingredients, I'll also mention the ingredients on the screen for you to read. The ingredients are very promising. Actually, it contains matcha and hemp, which are antioxidants, and antioxidants generally help you to fight free radicals that are caused because of the sunlight, and it overall helps to improve the condition of your skin. Product packaging is something like this, which is, I like it. It's a glass bottle actually, and comes with a sturdy pump. The pump is very sturdy. It's not some flimsy pump that breaks off. It's a very sturdy pump, and it also has a stopper, like, which would avoid spillage. See, these are the small things that brands take care, and it's very helpful. I can say that this is travel friendly. I can see myself carrying this, because if you see, the size is also very small, and because of the stopper, it would avoid spillage during the traveling. So I see myself carrying this with me during travels and all, and everything is mentioned on the package also. To the pricing, it is priced at 875 rupees for 120 ml, and I don't think you have to buy it on a full price. I normally get it on discount, and most of the time their website runs a discount, so you can always get it. I got it for around 780, 790 something, and I would suggest you to go for the discount rates. And there are also websites who sell it on discount. Sometimes on Nykaa also you will find out on discount, and even on Vanity Wagon. Vanity Wagon is a exclusive vegan and cruelty-free platform, where all the brands which are cruelty-free and vegan, they sell on Vanity Wagon. So even there you will find this on discount. So I would highly, I don't pay 875 the whole amount to get this. The face wash will not lather up as such. You will have to get used to it, because I am okay with the fact that it doesn't lather up, because I am used to using powder cleansers and all, and I don't need the face cleanser to lather up so much to make it make my face feel squeaky clean. But if you're someone who has been using face washes with lather up a lot, you will have to slightly take time to get used to this. But I feel it's the best thing. Like, if it doesn't lather up, I know that the face wash is not stripping your face with essential, whatever your facial essential oil. We talk about the fragrance of the face wash. The fragrance is also a little weird, I would say. I actually contacted the brand to talk about it. I somehow thought that the fragrance is little off-putting, and it might have gone bad or something. I felt that it might, because of maybe something wrong with the product. So I actually messaged the brand and asked them, like, why is this fragrance so weird? So that's when they told me that it's the grapefruit it has. So and since it doesn't have any fragrance in it, it's the natural fragrance of the face wash. So that's why you won't have any fancy fragrance coming out. It would be the fragrance of the grape, which you will have to get used to it. Like, I took a couple of washes to get used to this face wash. After a point, it doesn't matter. So I don't think that is something that you should be bothered about, because having a sensitive nose, it didn't bother me as such. Just first two washes, you will feel that the face wash is a little weird smell. It doesn't have the fancy smell that other face washes have. But then after that, I got used to it. Next, I would like to talk about why I like this face wash, because As I told you, it is very difficult for me to find a proper face wash that really works for me. This has worked for me. The thing is, some of the face washes actually, even if you are oily skin, even if you have a combination skin type, you need a face wash that does not strip off your skin and make it feel dry. So how do you know if the face wash is not working for you? After washing your face, like for the next 5 to 10 minutes, you have to see that how your skin feels. If it feels stretchy and if it feels dry, or if you feel that your skin is tight, it means that the face wash is drying for you. So you should be avoiding that kind of face washes, just in case, especially if you are an oily and combination skin type, because the main purpose of your skin, of the reason what you have to look into if you're an oily skin, that your oil production is not disturbed, the oil production on your face is not disturbed. Because being an acne prone skin, once the sebum production, if the sebum production is disturbed, it would cause clogged pores, it would cause acne, it would cause everything that is related to acne prone skin. So this does not dry out. There have been, now normally if you ask me, my skin, and like the way I do my skincare is that I like as soon as I wash my face, I go ahead with the toner or a moisturizer, and I do it in on a damp face. So there were times when I literally forgot to do my skincare, something must have come up, or something I must have forgot to do the skincare, and even after almost like an hour or an hour and a half after washing with the face wash, the skin did not feel drying or stretchy or any tight or anything, because there have been face washes that literally have made my skin itchy. So that way this has really helped me. This has really helped me in hydrating my skin, and with like generally like a face wash should do just the task of cleansing. It should not be drying on your skin. So this does very well. And if you talk about even it is okay if you have breakouts, like you can see I break out a lot, so you can also use it on active acne. It doesn't do any, I would not comment on like it reduces acne or something. It doesn't because it's a wash. Like it's a washing product, like it would wash off, so I don't expect it to reduce the acne and all. So it works, like it doesn't irritate my acne, it doesn't irritate my inflamed skin. So that way I really like using this. So if you are someone who wants to try a face wash which will work for you, which will not break you out, which is not drying, and which does not cause any irritation on your skin, because sometimes acne prone can be very sensitive skin. It can cause some if you don't know about Conscious Chemist is an Indian vegan brand who are into products, like creating products which are toxin free and environmental friendly. And so as of now, I just know they have three products in their range, which is their body cleanser, their face cleanser, and their face wash. I have only tried the face wash yet. I am about to try their other products also, because I love how this has worked on me, and I would like to try their other products. So these were my thoughts on the face wash. I hope the review was helpful to you. Let me know if you have used this and how it has worked for you, or if you want to try this. And if you have any questions on this on the face cleanser, you can comment down below. I will try my best to reply it. Until we meet in my next video, please take care, stay safe, and bye. Thank you.